Hey guys, let's see today a groove weld, one of the groove weld option in NX, because we have one curvy surface and the other one is flat. We will fill the weld here. Earlier we saw the fillet weld. In fillet weld most of the cases were with the flat faces, so let's see the groove weld here. Click on groove weld, and in groove weld you got multiple options. In our case it matches with flared bevel groove, so we'll pick that one. Select the first face, middle click to shift to second selection, do the second selection, click on cross section, click on use fill in construction. Root opening it will detect automatically between the gap. I'll give my depth or size of the weld, click show result, and your weld is ready. If you want, you can assign a weld PMI here, click OK. It will move to the PMI window. Now I want to show the results on this. My arrow seems okay. It picked up already the size and the symbol and the depth, everything. So I'll click close, and now I can just position my weld PMI. Thank you for watching.